Hey Mark, it's Drew here. Just want to send you a little piece of code that I want you to. I don't know if you've got a little spot for clips or for your code that you use. I personally use Coda, which is an application for Macintosh, and it has a little clip browser, as you can see here, built in, where I have all kinds of different things that I've saved to quickly insert into what I'm doing. But this is something you're going to want to hold on to because I'm just going to show you right now. Um, it's a really great way of clearing floats, and it has a lot of browser um, universal uses. It works on most browsers and such here. And just wanted to show you this. You see in the footer here, you see our reviews, which is great because it's got Angie's List underneath there. That's great, but the image here is floated to the left in here, so it's breaking this div. If I go ahead and inspect this, you can see the widget is right here, so it actually just compressed upon itself. So this code, a little bit of code, you can add to different things to make sure that the divs aren't breaking. A lot of let's say a lot of, I believe Bones has something in place for that. There's a clear function that uses this, basically the same thing, and that's that template that we're going to be using to build our custom sites. But it's good to know this for some of the non-custom theme, the different themes that we're going to be pulling and random stuff on, and so on and so forth. So, anyways, so if you come over here, I'm just going to go ahead. I already put this in here and pasted. I just took obviously the div of widget because that's what's being used in the footer, and then used after, and it's just putting no content, it's displaying it as block, it's a height of 0, and it's clearing both. So what that does, if I go back to the browser here, and I save this, you just see really quickly here, it will just fix this. So now testimonials is now beneath the Angie's List in the footer. So something small, it's a really, really handy piece of code to have, and basically you can apply it to any div that is being broken, such as the widget div was there, and I applied it to all in the footer just in case, as well as this will be applied to anything in the sidebar. So just something I thought I'd pass along really quickly while we're here, something to put in your notes. And I have little bits of things here and there that I'll send your way, as well as if you come across it in my code, just grab them. And there's probably stuff that you're going to find too. I'd love to hear about it as well, because we're just trying to make this as efficient and as good as possible, as well as develop the nicest stuff possible. So thanks.